Hello students, I hope you all are well. I am Vijita Mircha from Saraswati Group of Education. In the previous two sessions, we understood the new words of this chapter and we go through this chapter. We understood the chapter Red Raincoat. Let us revise the chapter once again. The story is about a boy named Manu and his raincoat. On Sunday, Manu's parents bought a raincoat for him. And Manu was very happy and he was excited to wear raincoat. So he was waiting for the rain to come so that he can wear raincoat. And every day Manu asked his mother, Mama, when it will rain? Why it didn't rain? On Sunday, the sky was clear. On Monday, the day was bright and sunny. On Tuesday, there is only one cloud in the sky. On Wednesday, the weather was hot. And on Thursday, the clouds were very high in the sky. So, from Sunday to Thursday, there is no chance to rain. On Friday, the weather was cloudy, but it didn't rain. Finally, it started raining on Saturday. And as Manu was waiting since so many days for the rain, he was very happy and forgot to wear raincoat. He ran out without the raincoat. So, this was our story that we have understood in our previous session. Now, it's time to solve the exercise related to this chapter. So, keep your textbook, pencil and eraser with you. Listen carefully. You can write along with me or you can copy later on from the worksheet. And see that there is no spelling errors. So, let us begin with the exercise.
Okay kids, let's begin to solve exercise. Open page number 16. Question A1. Choose the correct answer and put a tick right. Question 1. Manu's parents get him a red dash. On Sunday, Manu's parents bought a dash. Option A, that is umbrella. Option B, raincoat. Yes, we all know Manu's parents get him a red raincoat, right? So, tick right. Option B, raincoat. And Manu was very happy and he wants to wear his new raincoat. Next, question number 2. The sky is dash on Tuesday. How was the sky on Tuesday? Let me read you the option. Option A, blue and option B, black. Yes, you are right. The sky is blue on Tuesday. So tick right. Option A, blue. Now, number 3, it rains on dash. On which day it started raining? Let me read you the option. Wednesday or Saturday. Yes, we all know Saturday begin with a bang. So, on Saturday it started raining. So, tick right. Option B, Saturday. Now, question A2. Answer these questions. This question is to be written in CW book. We will write this question answer in our CW book after the completion of textual exercise. Now, question number A3. Think and answer orally. Question A3. Think and answer orally. These questions we need not to write. Only we discuss this question answer orally. Question 1. You learnt that raincoats protect us from the rain. What other things do we use when it rains? We all know that in the rainy season we use raincoat to protect ourselves. But other than raincoat, which are the things we use? Yes, umbrella and gumboots. We use raincoats, umbrella and gumboots in rainy season to protect ourselves. Now question number 2. Ma, will it rain today? Why does Manu say this? And why does he wait for the rain to come? Manu waits for the rain. Yes, Manu is waiting for the rain, so he said that, Ma, will it rain today? And why he was waiting for the rain? Because he wants to wear his new red raincoat. Right? So he was waiting for the rain and he was very excited to wear his raincoat. Okay? Now come to the page number 17. Question A4. Fill in the blanks and say what happens on each day of the week. Yes, on each day, how was the weather and what happens that we need to write. There are 3 days are given and what happens that already given. On Sunday, Manu gets the red raincoat. Right? Manu's parents get him a red raincoat on Sunday. Now Tuesday. Tuesday the sky is blue. Right? The sky was blue on Tuesday and there is only one white cloud. Now Thursday. On Thursday Manu goes on a picnic, right? And on Saturday. Now on Saturday, how was the weather? The weather was cloudy and it started thundering, right? It began with a bang on Saturday. Means it's heavy rainfall on Saturday. Yes, so we can say it began with a bang. Write down it began with a bang. Now on Monday, the day was bright and sunny. How was the weather on Monday? The day was bright and sunny, right? So write down the day was bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, and S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Now Wednesday. How was the day on Wednesday? It was very hot. So write down it was hot. H-O-T, hot. Now Friday. How was the weather on Friday? Yes, it was cloudy. It was cloudy. Write down. There are many dark clouds on Friday. Now, question A5. Learn interesting things. You learnt what rhyming words are in chapter 1. Find words that rhyme with the following words in this story. Now, as we had already learned about the rhyming words, right? In our poem 1. Rhyming words are the words which ends with the same sound. Right? That is called rhyming word. Now we need to find out some rhyming words which are given in this story. Okay, so let's see which are the rhyming words given in this story. Okay, now in page number 30, just see the underlined words. No, my dear, the rains are near. But just now the sky is clear. Here the word dear, near and clear are ending with the same sound. Right? So, dear, near and clear are the rhyming words. You can also underline these words in your textbook. Monday was bright and sunny. Yes, and here you can see if you wear raincoat, you will look quite funny. Yes, so the rhyming word of sunny is funny because both are ending with the same sound. Next line. On Tuesday the sky was blue. Here you can see the word blue. Ma, when will my wish come true? Yes, so the word blue, true are ending with the same sound. Blue, true. Yes, so blue and true are the rhyming words. Now come to the last two lines. Sun, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before noon. You can see soon, noon. Yes, both are ending with the same sound. Soon, noon. So, these are the rhyming words. So, write down the rhyming words which we had seen in page number 30. So, first word is given near. So, which are the rhyming word of near? Clear and dear. Write down C-L-E-A-R, clear, D-E-A-R, dear. Clear, dear. Next, sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. What other rhyming word is given in this chapter related to sunny? Yes, funny. Write down F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Next, T-R-U-E, true. Rhyming word of true is blue. Write down B-L-U-E, blue. Now come to the next. Think of the word that rhymes with rain. Okay? Now we will have to find out rhyming word on the word rain. Rhyming word of rain is pain, brain. Write down P-A-I-N, pain, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Rain, pain, brain. Okay, now come to the create part. This is your homework that you need to write in your rough book. Now what is your homework? Let's see. Question B1. Manu loves the monsoons. Which is the season of rain? Which is your favorite season? And why do you love it? Okay, so this is your homework. Now come to the next page. In page number 18. Question B2. Look at the pictures below. Read about the different seasons. This we had already learned in our session 1. Right? We already understood about all the seasons. Let us revise. Summer. Summer season. In this season, it is very hot. To be comfortable in the heat, we wear cotton clothes and use hats and umbrellas. And we have ice creams and cold drinks to beat the heat. Next, monsoon. In this season, it rains a lot and we use raincoat, umbrella and gum boots, or we can say long rubber boots, right? And the sky is often dark and there is a loud thundering sound. Next, winter season. In this season, it is very cold and we wear warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, gloves, right? Caps. And people like to drink warm drinks like soup. Yes, and we like to eat hot dishes. In some very cold places, it also snows. Now, autumn season. In this season, some trees shed leaves. The leaves fall down in the autumn season, which is why we also call this season the fall. And the weather is slightly chilly and windy. And we had understood about one more season, that is spring season, right? In spring season, as in autumn season, the leaves fall down. And in the spring season, the new leaves grow on the tree, and there is everywhere greenery, and the butterflies and birds are like that season because there is everywhere greenery. Okay, so we see butterflies and birds chirping sounds in spring season. Now come to the page number 19. Look at the clues below and name the season. We need to read the clues and according to that we need to identify that which season is this. Okay, so first one, soup, jacket, snowman. Yes, it's a winter season. So write down winter, winter. Now number 2, cold drink, ice cream, hat. Cold drink, ice cream we used to eat in summer season, right? So write down SUMMER, summer. Next, number 3, rubber boots, that is gum boots, rainfall and clouds. We all know that it's a monsoon season. Write down MONSOON, monsoon. Next, LEAVES, leaves, windy and cool. Yes, the weather is windy and cool in autumn season, right? So write down AUTUMN, autumn. Next, number 5, flowers, birds, bees. Yes, we see many new flowers and birds and bees in spring season. So write down SPRING, spring. Next, question number C1. We know that all things have names. Such naming words are called nouns. As we had already learned about nouns, that is naming words. What is naming words? Naming words are the names of people, place, animals and things, and we can also call nouns. Did you know things can have special names too? The boy in this story is called Manu, right? Now boy is a naming word of people, but there is a boy named Manu. So Manu is a special name of that boy, right? So there are some special names are given to the nouns. Okay, that we will learn in our next session. Now come to the fill in the blanks with the correct special names. You are a boy or a girl. Then boy and girl is a general name, right? It's not a special name. But you have another special name. What is your name? Write down your name in the first blank. As my name is Vijeta, then I had written my name over there. But you need to write your name. Okay? Next, do you have a pet? Do you want one? What is it? Now, if you have a pet animal, then you need to write what is it. If it is a dog, then write dog. If it is a cat, then write cat. If it is a parrot, write parrot. Okay? But if you do not have pet animals at your home, then you can imagine that what type of pet animals do you want? As I want a pet dog, so I had written dog. You can write your favorite pet animal. Okay, now what does your family call it? Now, if you have an animal, then I'm sure that you gave a name to it. So, if you have pet animal, write his name, and if not, then write imagination name that if you had a pet, then what would you name it? Okay, here I had written imagination name that if I had a pet dog, then I will give name Jack. Next, what do you want to call it? Okay, now this is the name Jack that the other family members called him. But I want to give him a special name. Okay, so I will call him as a Tom. So, in the similar way, you can write your pet animal name which you want to call it. When a naming word tells us the special name of a person, place, animal or thing, it is called proper noun. When we give a special name to the person, place, animal or a thing, then it is called a proper noun. That we will discuss more about common noun and proper noun in our next session. Now, after the completion of textual exercise, you need to write vocabulary words, days of the week, jumble letters and question answer in your CW book. So, give heading chapter 2 and write the name of the chapter, The Red Raincoat, and give subheading vocabulary. There are 8 words which we had already understood about all the words. Number 1, write down clear, raincoat, thunder, clouds, bright, sunny, picnic, bang. Next, write down, give heading days of the week and write down days of the week as there is a specific name given to each day. So, you need to write first letter capital. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Next, give heading jumbled letters. There are 5 jumbled letters are given. First one, thunder, picnic, clouds, rain, bright. Now, give heading, answer the following questions. In your textbook, there is question number A2. As I told you that after completion of textual exercise, we will write that this question answer in our CW book. So give heading, answer the following questions. Question number 1. How is the weather on Monday? Yes, the weather is bright and sunny. Write down answer BRIGHT, bright and sunny. Write first letter capital and end the sentence with a full stop. Next, question number 2. Where does Manu go on Thursday? Manu went on picnic. Okay, write down answer Manu went on picnic. Number 3. When it starts raining on Saturday, what does Manu do? Manu runs out. Question number 4. Why does Ma run after him? Answer, because he forgets his raincoat. So, these are the notes that you need to copy in your CW book.
I hope you all have completed exercise with me. If not, then copy it from the worksheet within 2 days. And you will get notes in the worksheet that you need to write in your CW book. You need to copy in your CW book.